Class, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yes po, good afternoon, good afternoon. Is my voice clear and loud? Okay, yes, yes, yes. So here we are. We start now with our lesson for this afternoon. So we are on day number 1 of our module number 9 for this week. So second day po, Tuesday ng ating week ngayon. So to inform you everybody, today is the last week of our mathematics and next week na po is ang ating examination or the post-test. Okay, so you have to study your notes on Thursday and Friday. We will do the examination. Okay? Then, afterwards, magkakaroon tayo ng mga konting tanong lang. Okay, let's start with our lesson this afternoon by a pretest and checking of attendance. So to check the attendance, recognizing we have Art Louis, Ayan Marie, Brian, Chris Aaron, Kiel, John Bert, Keith, Krija, Sebastian, and Tisha. So this is our pretest. I'll be sending the link on your GC and here on the chat box. So you are just going to select among the options which one is correct. This is a game show activity wherein you don't need to make it perfect or you don't need to make it correct. As long as you know the answer or you have the answer, then you may proceed to the questions and answering of it. So for game number 1, this is not recorded. You may start the activity now for 10 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. After you are done with answering of the pretest, you may type done on the chat box so that I will know. Okay, 9 minutes left. Okay, time check. Last 5 minutes. Type done if you're done. Okay, last 3 minutes. Type done if you're done. Then tell me your scores. Okay, may natapos na po. Okay, may dalawa na pong tapos. Still waiting for the others for the last 1 minute. And we will start our lesson this afternoon. Okay, if you're done, maybe you can post your score on the chat box so that we will recognize your effort. 786 from Mark Louie, not bad. Maybe that's about 5 or 6 items, correct? Chris Aaron gets 653. Sebastian, 729, not bad. So maybe you have you know something about our lesson for this afternoon or with the module number 9. Okay, it's already time. Bonus lang lahat. May bonus. Yeah, we have 3 bonuses there and plus 1, so 4 bonus ata yun. So well, anyway, it's a bit correct naman po siguro. So let's focus now on our lesson with module number 9. So yeah, last week we talked about module number 8 and module 8 and 9 are prerequisites. Ibig sabihin po, magkasunod and very related po sila. So on module number 9, we will be learning about solving linear equations and inequalities in one variable. Meaning, we will be in solution with linear equations to what you call the graphical and algebraic method of solving. So from the word graphical, meaning magkakaroon tayo ng graph later on. So let's have this lesson now. So before we start, let us define first what is an absolute value. So when you say absolute value of a number, it talks about the distance on the number line between the number and the zero without any regards to the direction. Okay, if I would like to ask you about this, um, what is the distance from your home to GSC and SAT? If your answer is a positive number, type yes. If your answer is a negative number, type no. Get down in the chat box. What is the distance from your house into GSC and SAT? If your answer is positive, type yes. If your answer is negative, type no. Kit, positive daw po sa kanya. Positive daw ang sagot ng distance niya. Okay, si Kit lang ba estudyante? There are 13 students or 12 students. I'll be expecting more responses. So, Ayan Marie is yes. Yes, Chris Aaron. Sebastian, yes. Denbert, yes. Kit. Okay, yes. So, yes. Wala pong nag-no. Wala pong nag-no. Kasi nga po, wala pong distance na negative. Tama? Dahil, pag sinabi mong distance, you are talking for the positive values only. And it never siyang maging negative kasi nga distansya siya. Or tulad ng 5 kilometers. Wala namang sinabing negative 5 kilometers, di ba? That's why, sabi po dito sa absolute value, without any regards to direction. So kasi po, pag south po, positive. Pag north naman, negative. So kung kahit anong direction niya, positive siya. And that is what we call absolute value. Lahat po ng absolute value is positive. Wala po siyang negative. Example na doon is ang distance. Okay? Please copy the definition, then type done if you're done. Okay, moreover, pag sinabing absolute value, kahit negative siya, gagawin mo siyang positive. Yun po ibig sabihin niyan. Pero pag positive na ang given, huwag mo na siya palitan kasi positive naman siya. Okay? Basta pag sinabing absolute value, it is always positive. Kahit negative pa yung binigay na number, gawin mo siyang positive. Okay, type done if you're done. Still waiting for the others. Okay, let's continue. So we go now with these examples. These are the examples of absolute value. By the way, the absolute value uses the symbols dalawang bar. Then sa loob niyan yung number. For example, negative A. Magiging positive A na siya. Kasi nga po, gagawin natin siyang positive pag sinabing absolute value. Take a look at this number 1 example. The absolute value of 4. Positive naman si 4. So, kopyahin nyo na lang siya. Equals siya kay 4. Next, the absolute value of negative 12. Negative man si 12, since absolute value siya, you make it a positive. So, magiging positive 12 na yung sagot. Next, 7 minus 2, isa-subtract nyo muna, that is 5, tama? 7 minus 2 is 5. Anong positive value ng 5? That is 5 also. Next, 2 minus 7, pag isubtract mo siya, mas malaki si 7, meron kang binayad na 2, may utang ka na 7, so may kulang ka pa na 5. Kulang is negative. So, negative 5 ang sagot dyan. And what is the positive value of negative 5? That is positive 5. Kaya pagdating sa number 4, 5 pa din yung sagot. Hindi na siya negative 5. Okay? Those are the examples of the absolute value. Okay, please copy. Type done if you're done on the chat box, please. Okay, let's continue. Next, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's have how to solve the value of x. To solve the value of x, we can do it in two different forms. First is algebraically, and the second one is graphically. When you say algebraically, yan yung pag-solve na yung may xy na talaga yung kaya nang ginawa natin last week. But when you say graphically, you are going to show your solution into a graphical form or maggamit tayo ng number line or graph na tinatawag. Okay? So next, I'll be showing you this. Find the values of x or the value of x in this example. So we have the given 3x minus 4 equals 2. So the very basic rule is that all the variables will be on the left side while all the numbers will be on the right side. So ililipat natin ngayon, bring down si 3x, ililipat ngayon si 4 dito sa kabila. Tama? So from positive 4, magiging from negative 4, magiging positive 4 na siya. Then plus 2. Then 2, saan yung galing ang 2? Diyan po sa taas. Okay. Magiging 4 plus 2 na yan siya, magiging 6 na. Okay, 3x. Then, since may 3 dito na number, katabi si x, therefore, i-divide din natin siya sa 3. I-divide din sa 3. So, magiging cancelled na yan. Ang matira ngayon si x. And 6 divided by 3 is, that is 2. Therefore, the answer here is x equals 2. Now, in this case, gagawa natin siya ng graph. Na-solve na natin ngayon si x equals 2. Gagawa tayo na ngayon ng graph na tinatawag. Okay, ang graph natin will be on the number line. So, okay. 2 man yung number na hinanap natin, so pwede tayong maglagay dito ng 3. Next, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and so on. Okay? Next, since 2 ang hinahanap natin, x equals 2, so sa 2 tayo mag-shade. Lagyan siya ng bilog. And you name it as x. Okay? So that is how to do the graphical method. Itong solving na ginawa natin, tawag niyan algebraically. Algebraic solving. Ito namang ginawa natin, that is graphical. Okay? So please copy for example number 1. Type done if you're done. Okay, to those who are done, I would like you to answer number 3 as your turn activity. So kayo daw magsagot sa number 3. Tingnan natin kung alam niyo na. Number 3 po, number 3. That is 3x minus 5 equals 4. So I'll be giving you 3 minutes to answer that one. Your time starts now. That is 3 minutes only. Again, you will be answering number 3. Then type your answer on the chat box if after 3 minutes. So we have one answer. Kiel, 3. Is Aaron got it 3. Kip got it 2. Three Car Chloe. Double check your answer. Kip. Ayan Marie got it 3. Art Chloe got it 3. Sebastian got it 3. So maybe we could reveal now the answer. So, mabilis lang po kayo nakasolve. Di po kayo nakaabot ng 3 minutes. Allow me to erase this one. So, let's have example number 3 as our next example. Number 5 minus 5, that is equal to 4. So, in this case, lahat po ng variables sa left side, lahat po ng numbers sa right side. Okay. So, I'll be showing yung hindi transfer na method, yung tinatawag na additive inverse. So, kung minus 5 dyan, para maging 0 yung minus 5 na yun, mag-add ako ng 5. Tapos 4, since nag-add ako ng 5 dyan, mag-add din ako ng 5. Okay, maging 3x, 0 na yan dito. So 4 plus 5, that is 9. And divided by 3, that is x is equals to 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Okay, so still the same ang answer, 3 po. So very good, tama kayo, 3 ang sagot dito. Then let's do the graphing. So we have, let us write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, dito sa 3, dito tayo gagawa ng shade. Okay? And write the letter X. What if ang nilagay ko dito, P? Letter P siya. So, P din yung ilalagay mo dyan. Nakuha? So, since X ang ginamit natin na variable, X po yung gagamitin natin sa taas. Okay? Please copy for this if you're done. Kung tamang sagot nyo, you don't need to copy. Type done if you're done. Okay, allow me to erase it in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, example number 2 tayo. For number 2, we have negative 4x equals 1. Okay, so wala naman kailangang ilipat dito kasi naka-arrange na siya sa left and right na items. So, i-divide na natin siya directly by negative 4. Cancelled, x will become 1 over 4. Okay, take note, 1 divided by 4 is 1/4. Next, negative man yung sa baba, yung sa taas positive. Since they are magkaibang signs or different signs, we write immediately negative here. So therefore, the answer here is x equals negative 1/4. And if you are going to graph that one, dapat marunong kayo mag-graph ng fraction. Okay, 1/4 man siya. So that is 0 and negative siya, so negative 1 dyan. So, Kung ito siya 1/2, negative 1/2, saan dyan ang 1/4? Kalahati ng 1/2 is negative 1/4. Okay? And this is another negative 3/4. Dapat marunong kayo mag-fraction. 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1. Okay? Then shade the 1/4 region and write the variable x on top. Okay, that is now the answer for example number 2. And I would like you to answer also as your turn activity number 4. For 7x equals negative 14. Okay, please do the answering now. At the same time, copy also the examples in number 2. You have 3 minutes to finalize and answer the number 4 item. So your time starts now. What do you think will be the value of x here? So we have negative 2, 3 from Chris Aaron, negative 2 from PL. Vija got it negative 2. Chris Aaron is positive 2. Okay, mabilis kayo hindi kayo nakakabot ng 3 minutes. Let's reveal the answer now. Ayan Marie got it negative 2. Art Louis negative 2 also. So ano nga ba ang sagot? Negative 2 nga ba or positive 2? Still, nalilito pa kayo sa mga symbols. Let's find out. So we have number 4, 7x equals negative 14. In this case, we don't need to transfer it or use the additive inverse kasi nga po, naka-arrange na siya. And divide it immediately with 7, cancelled x. It's equal to, now, take a look at this. 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Negative sa taas, positive sa baba. Magkaiba sila ng sign. Since magkaiba ng sign, you write negative immediately. So the answer here is negative 2. Very good. Marami pong nakatama. So for the graphical method, kapag negative po ang number, paatras po siya like this. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1. And negative 2 is here, then you shade, then you write x. Okay? So that is now the answer for number 4. So next, what if the example would look like this? Sabi daw po, we have the given 3x minus 28 equals 2. Okay, yan daw po yun. 3x minus 28 equals 2. Pero, dapat daw palitan daw natin si x ng 5, which is x is equal to 5. So, kindly look at this example for substitution. Number 1, 3x minus 28 equals 2. You will just copy that one. Take note, x is equals to 5. So, magkadikit po si x at saka si 3. Therefore, multiply siya kapag magkadikit. So, magiging, ang x palitan doon ng 5, magiging 3 times 5 na siya. Minus 28 equals 2. Let's find out if ang sagot nga ba is 2. What if hindi 2 ang sagot? So, ganito ang mangyayari. 3 times 5, 15 minus 28. 15 minus 28, that is, may positive. Ganito lang po ang clue niyan. Pag positive, bayad. Kapag negative, utang. Okay, may utang ka na 28, binayaran mo ng 15. Kulang pa yung bayad mo. So that is, kulang ng ilan? 13. Tama ba? Okay, kulang ng 13. Since kulang siya, negative ang ilagay mo kasi kulang is negative. Is negative 13 equal to 2? Is negative 13 equal to 2? Of course not. So negative 13 should not be equal to 2. And this statement is a false statement. Okay? So, ganun po ang pagsagot. Since hindi mag-equal si 13 kay 2, false ang ilagay natin. Huwag sa baba ilagay ang false ha, sa taas ilagay ang false. Kasi ngayon not equal na siya. Okay, please copy example number 1 for the substitution of values. Then, I'll be asking you to solve this one for your turn activity. 5x minus 15 equals 10. 5x minus 15 equals 10. Is it true or false? 5x minus 15 equals 10. Okay, I'll be giving you 3 minutes. Your time starts now.
Sir,
Yes po?
usang value sa X, sir.
Ay, o di ay. Wala man mo nagsaba-saba class. So, x is equal to 3. Ano? 5 na lang, 5. X is equal to 5. Buing-buing ha. So, again, time starts now. So, x is equal to 5 there. According kay Fiel, true daw. Kay Kit naman, true. Magiging true lang siya kapag the same ang sagot. Take note of that. For example, 2 is equals to 2. Doon lang siya maging true. Or 5 is equals to 5. Okay, let's find out. I'm still waiting for the others to post their answers. We have Kit, true. Fiel, true. Okay, still waiting for the others. Last 30 seconds. Ayan Marie, got it. Okay, Ayan Marie, magiging true lang siya kapag pareho silang 5 is equals to 5. Pero pag magkaiba, false po ang tawag niyan. Okay? Trisha, 10 is equals to 10. That is true. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's have Sebastian, 10 over 10. And 10 equals 10 equals true. Our fluid, 10 equals 10. That is true din daw. So, tingnan natin. So, from the given 5x minus 15 equals 10, where x should be equal to 5. So, i-replace natin ang 5 dito kay x. Minus 15 equals 10. Is it true? 5 times 5, that is 25. Next, minus 15 equals 10. So, 25 minus 15, that is 10. Is 10 equal to 10? Yes, it's true. 10 is equals to 10. So, lagyan ng true. 10. Okay? So, that is now the answer. True po ang sagot, 10 equals 10. Okay, very good. Alam niyo na. Next, number 2 example. Allow me to erase this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, take a look at this. Negative 4x equals 1, where x should be equal to 0. So, negative 4 times 0 equals 1. 4 times 0 is 0. Is it equal to 1? Kailan naging 0 ang 1? Di ba never? So, therefore, 0 is not equal to 1. And the statement is false. Again, take note, wag po ilagay sa baba ang false. Kasi yung ginatukoy niya na false, ito po, yung katabi niya. Okay? That is false. Okay, take a look at that. So, that is the skill of substitution. So, for your activity or game number 2, you are going to identify if the statement is true or false. In this case, you are just going to select 4 items. 5 items po ang nakasulat dyan, pero 4 items lang po ang sagutan ninyo. Okay? So, Paano nyo siya malaman kung true or false? Isa-substitute lang po ninyo tulad ng ginawa nyo kanina or a while ago. Like x equals negative 3, isubstitute mo lang siya sa statement. So 4 items lamang po ang sagutan, hindi po 5 items. 4 items lamang po. 5 points po ang tama, 2 points naman po ang mali. You are going to show your complete solution. No solution, no recording of score, and name it as Q number 17. So let us have the link. Give me 30 seconds, class. Q20 daw po. Sorry. Q number 20 pala, class. Take note, Q number 20 na tayo. Para hindi po magdoble-doble ang pangalan. Kasi yung nakaraan, nagdoble-doble tayo ng Q18, Q17, nagdalawa. So I'll be checking your activities from Wednesday last week up to today. Bukas ko siya checkan. Okay, here's the link. You are given 20 minutes to answer that one. Your time starts now. Okay, class, na-open nyo ba siya, class? Hindi na kasi masyadong net sa akin. Anyone, naka-open ba kayo ng activity natin or wala?
Naka-open po, sir.
Okay po. So sa mga, if there is a problem, just type on the chat box so that I could know. Open naman daw po. Dito lang talaga sa akin kasi mahinang internet. Okay, just continue answering. Okay, may natapos na. Ang bilis-bilis. So we have Ayan Marie done, Piel done, John Bert done. Okay, may tatlo na po. I'm still waiting for the others to finish. You have 13 minutes left. Don't worry. It's not yet past. Or it's not yet already time. Sebastian is also already done. Mark Louis is done, Trisha is done, Brian is done, Sebastian is done. Okay, still waiting. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, tapos na po lahat. So maybe we could check. Pwede ba? May nagasagot pa ba? Okay, wala na pong nagasagot. So let's reveal the answer now. Check your own paper. So let's anyone who would type the number 1 question, kasi nga po, hindi po ma-open sa akin dahil walang internet now, napakahina. I-type po sa chat box ang first question. Ay, ganito na lang, class. Tomorrow na lang natin checkan. Total, may klase po kayo sa next period. Tama ba? Klase nyo sa TV. So, to make your eyes rest, meron pa kayong 9 minutes para mag-rest. Okay, please turn on the camera for the attendance this morning. Tomorrow na lang para hindi rin masakit sa mata ninyo. Okay, saglit lang ha. Okay, please turn on your cameras now in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I hope you enjoy our class today. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Bye po, sir.
Bye po, sir.
Bye.
Bye po, sir.